Put chai ko, also known as steamed red bean pudding, is one of Hong Kong's most nostalgic street snacks. Its round shape, chewy texture, and gentle sweetness bring back memories of after-school treats from traditional street vendors. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we're showing you how to recreate this classic using just a few pantry staples. Start by dissolving a slab of brown sugar in water over gentle heat. Once fully melted, let it cool down. Meanwhile, mix rice flour and wheat starch in a bowl. Gradually add the cooled syrup, stirring until smooth with no lumps. For an extra silky texture, strain the mixture once before using. If you like a chewier bite, try mixing in a small portion of hot syrup. Pre-cook your red beans until soft, then drain well. Place a few red beans into the bottom of small bowls or silicone molds. Pour in the flour mixture until about 80 to 90% full. Steam over high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Avoid opening the lid during steaming. The heat needs to stay consistent for the pudding to set properly. To get the best results, ensure your batter isn't too runny or too thick. Your steamer must be at full boil before you begin, and the molds should be pre-warmed if possible. Adjust the sugar to taste, but avoid overboiling the syrup as it can harden the texture later on. What you need is brown sugar slab 90 grams, rice flour 100 grams, wheat starch 10 grams, water 250 milliliters for mixing and 100 milliliters for dissolving sugar, pre-cooked red beans 60 grams, and calories is approximately 140 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you enjoyed this classic childhood recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where we bring Asian street food memories back to life.